This is Mahmoud Hassan Meraz. Welcome to another solution tutorial of SolidWorks. Today we're going to solve this 3D problem. In this 3D problem, this is our isometric view. Then we can see this is our top view. After that, we can see we have a section line A and A here, and this is our section AA view. Then we can see we have another section line along this vertical line, and this is our section BB view. So first of all, I'll start drawing from the top plane. In the top plane, I'll draw this rectangle shape. And for drawing this rectangle shape, I will select the top plane and then draw two center line. Okay. As the total dimension is 20.25 units, so this half distance will be 12.5 unit and this half distance will be 12.5 unit. Then we can see it has a total width of 15 units, so I'll draw two offset line here. Each having a dimension of 15 divided by 2, so it will be 7.5 units, 7.5 unit. Then I will cap in both sides. After that, I will extrude boss it. I will extrude boss it to 6 unit. Okay. Then we can see we have a slot shape here, and for drawing this slot shape, here we can see it has a total dimension of 16 unit here. So as it has a total dimension of 16 unit, so and we can see this radius is 4 unit, and also this side radius is also 4 unit. So here to here the distance will be, and this distance will be 8 unit. Okay. So for that I am going to select center line slot. For the center line slot, this half distance will be 4 unit. Okay. Then we can see it has a radius of 4 units, so total this distance will be 4 multiplied by 2, so it will be 8 unit. So we'll be drawing this slot shape, and this slot shape has a extrude cut of 3 unit. Then we can see we have in the top face a circular cut here. Okay. And this circular cut has a radius of 1.5 unit, and it has a extrude cut of up to this portion. Okay. As the total dimension is 6 units, so this dimension is 6 minus 3, so this dimension will also 3 unit. Then we can see we have another inner circular cut here. Okay. And this inner circular cut, if we look at here, this circle, and this circle has a dimension of diameter 5 unit, then I'll to cut it to through all 3 unit. Then another things here, that is we have another circle here, and this extrude cut circle has a extrude cut of this portion, that will be 4.5 minus 3 unit, that is 1.5 unit. So let's go back to our SolidWorks. So I'm selecting the top plane from here. Now right click on it, now sketch, then normal to it, then select the center line tool from here. As the total distance is 25 unit, so half distance will be 25 divided by 2, so it will be 12.5 unit. Okay. In the same way, we will draw another center line here. We are dividing this center line because we will try to draw symmetrical, because we have a count. So it is 12.5 unit also. Now isometric it for a better view. Now you can select the offset tool from here and select these two lines. Okay. And as the total distance is 15 unit, so the half distance will be 15 divided by 2, so it will be 7.5 unit. Make sure to select bidirectional cap in and line. Now press OK. So now normal to it, you can see we have got this shape. Now isometric it. Now go to features, now extrude boss, and this time we have an extrude boss of 6 unit, so I'm extrude boss to 6 unit from the mid plane. Okay. Now press OK. So our this portion has been done. Now I'm selecting the top face. Now right click on it. Now sketch. Then normal to it. Now I'm selecting the center point stretch slot and drawing a dimension. And as this half horizontal dimension will be, as the total dimension is 16 units minus that twice the radius, then divide by 2, because it is half distance, so it is 4 unit. Okay. And this is the twice the radius, so 4 multiplied by 2. So we have gotten our stretch slot. Now smart dimension it, and this radius has a dimension of 4 radius. Then this horizontal line has a dimension of 8 unit, because 16 minus 4 minus 4, so it is 8 unit. Now press OK. Now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features. Now extrude cut. Now extrude cut it to 3 units. So I'm selecting blind tool from here and is to cut it to 3 unit. Now press OK. So this portion also be done. Now select this upper face. Now right click on it, then sketch, then normal to it. Now select the circle tool from here and place a circle here, and here we have a circular cut of 1.5 radius. So as we are doing a circle, so we'll multiply by 2, or you can draw a semicircle by drawing a line here. Both works the same way. Now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features. Now is to cut. Now is to cut it to up to surface, or you can select up to surface, up to this surface, or you can select blind tool and dimension to 3 unit. Now select this inner face. Now right click on it. Now select this inner face. Now right click on it. Now sketch, then normal to it, and draw. Select a circle and draw a same circle to the previous circle origin. And this time the circle has a dimension of 5 diameter. Now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features. Now is to cut. Now is to cut it to through all in one way. Okay, through all, or you can select the blind tool and dimension 3 unit. So this portion has been done. Now isometric it for a better view. Now again select this inner face. Now right click on it. Now sketch, then normal to it, then select the circle tool and place this circle to the this semicircle origin. And this time this circle has a dimension of 4 diameter. Okay, now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features. Now is to cut, and this has is to cut of now let me select the blind tool from here, and it has is to cut of 4.5 minus 3 units, that is 1.5 unit. Now press OK. So what this portion also has been done. Now isometric it for a better view. So let's go back to our sketch. Okay, in our sketch we have a hole here, and for drawing this hole we can see this outer diameter has a 5 diameter, and this inner portion has a diameter of 3 diameter. And let me clear about this portion has a dimension of 1.5 unit, and the total depth here is 3 unit. Okay, then we have an angular portion here, and for drawing this we are going to use the hole widget. And as you can see, it has situated at the middle of the here, so it here to here this dimension will be 25 divided by 2, so it will be 12.5 unit distance from here. Okay, and as it is situated at the middle of here, so it has a vertical dimension of 3 unit also. Okay, after drawing this whole widget portion, and we can have we can see we have some circular cut in this top face, and this circular face, every 4 circular face here, and this also has a diameter of 3 unit. Then we can see everyone has a distance of 3 unit in each corner, 3 unit and 3 unit. I will draw one circle, then I will use the mirror tool to mirror this circle, then I can use another center line to mirror others two circle. Okay, then finally we have some fillet here in all the corners. We have some fillets, and every fillet has a radius of 1 unit. Okay, so let's go back to our SolidWorks. So I'm selecting here the whole widget option, then select legacy hole from here. Okay, then select the C board drill. Then here we can see as it has the inner diameter of 3 unit. Okay, this inner diameter 3 dimension it to diameter of 3 unit here. Okay, dimension 3 unit, as it has a total depth of 3 unit, so dimension is total depth of 3 unit here. Then this C bore diameter has 5 units, so diameter 5 unit. Then C bore depth is, you can see 1.5 units, so dimension to 1.5 unit. After that, go to positions and 3D sketch and position it to this side. Okay, now go to view orientation. Now select this side. Now select smart dimension tool and select this point and this horizontal line, and it has a vertical distance of 3 unit. Then select this point and select this vertical line, and it has a horizontal distance of 25 divided by 2, so it will be 12.5 unit. Now press OK. Now press OK. So if you rotate here, you can see that our this whole widget portion has been done. You can match the corner like this side. Okay, this side and this side, all the things matches according to our sketch. Okay, now it's time for this upper face, 4 holes. For that I'm selecting this upper face. Now right click on it. Now sketch. Now normal to it. Then select a circle tool from here and draw a circle of 3 diameter. So drawing a circle of 3 diameter. Now select insert dimension tool and select this circle and select this vertical line and has a distance of 3 unit. Now select this circle and select this horizontal line, has a vertical distance of 3 unit. Now it's time for we need to mirror all the holes here and here. For that I'm selecting a center line for mirroring. So I'm drawing a vertical center line here. Okay, I have drawn a vertical center line here. Then selecting the mirror interest, and interest to be mirror, I want to mirror this one, and mirror about, I want to mirror this about this center line. Now press OK. Now again I'm selecting the center line tool from here and drawing a horizontal line, and this time I am going to select the mirror interest, and I want to mirror both of this circle, and I want to mirror about this horizontal center line. Now press OK. Now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features. Now cut. Now cut it to through all both. So I'm going to cut it to through all both. Now press OK. So this portion has been done quite well. Now it's time for the fillet. For that I'm selecting the fillet tool from here, and every corner has a fillet of 1 radius. Now select each corner from here and here, and now rotate your sketch and also select this back corner also. Now press OK. Now isometric it for a better view. So as you can see, we have done a 3D sketch. Thank you for watching till the end.
Thanks for watching, and keep learning. Be different.